SlowCast English, Episode 17, Shopping.
This shirt looks nice.
Yes, it does.
I like the color.
Blue looks good on you.
Really? Thank you.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes. Where is the fitting room?
Over there.
I'll be back.
How is it?
It fits well.
Great.
I think I'll buy it.
Good choice.
Thanks.
Introduction to this podcast. Choosing a new shirt. Clara and Ryan discuss a shirt while shopping. Clara compliments the color, and Ryan encourages her to try it on, saying blue suits her. After finding the fitting room and trying it on, Clara decides the shirt fits well and chooses to buy it, with Ryan supporting her decision.